Good afternoon. This is Eric Lodney with the Epiphany Trading Wednesday, September 16th markets wrap-up. The Dow today closed at 97.92, up 108 points. The Nasdaq closed at 21.33, up about 30. Both closed near their highs of the day. The S&P in relative terms was actually up a little bit more than the Dow, but less than the Nasdaq. It was up about 14, so 1.3%. The tone just remains incredible. Coming into today, we had a bullish rating by Jim Cramer last night from Mad Money, which shoved Apple higher. His rating was on Apple, that is. He put a $200-something, $264, I think, offhand price target on it. So when people come in, they see Apple up 2.5, especially in this environment, they don't ask questions. Take that in combination with Amazon being up 2.5 and an upgrade early this morning, and you get the ingredients for a pretty good tech day, which sets a tone for a very good overall market day. Tomorrow things might be a little bit different. After hours today, Oracle's trading a little bit lower, and that's leading some of the tech stocks down. So offhand tomorrow, I certainly don't see the robust gains from today. I don't see a major down day either, but I think it's going to pause a little bit and probably trade lightly lower. Although, again, the action should be focused on the micro caps and the stocks that are in the news, almost always, as is the case these days. A few things to look at on the positive side. IMGN signed a licensing deal with Amgen. AUXL, the FDA Arthritis Advisory Committee, voted unanimously to recommend approval of its Xiaflex drug. The stock was up tremendously yesterday. Actually traded at 40, up over 4 after hours today, and it came all the way back. But especially in this environment, we might get a little snap back in the morning. USG closed near a high. ACAS closed near a high after receiving almost $200 million from the sale of a bioscience unit. VMC closed on a high. Amazon, as already mentioned, AMZN closed near the day's high after being upgraded, and IBM closed near a high. On the negative side, Oracle issued poor earnings. MLHR had poor guidance. DBRN had bad earnings. CKR had terrible earnings. AGP guided earnings lower, but yet still above analyst estimates. Kind of a sucker play, and I regret not buying it when it was down about $1. What they did was they had an estimate 50 cents above analyst estimates. They cut it to about 20 cents above, but it's still above. EK, Eastman Kodak, seeking to raise $700 million in capital, including a $300 million notes offering. WIN, MGM, and LVS closed relatively near the lows of the day, and a pretty major reversal in the casino sector. And eBay, the founders of Skype, are rumored to sue eBay over theft of peer-to-peer technology. With that, I wish all of you a good night and good luck trading tomorrow.